this hair out, wash it, and do it again.
In the meantime, another matchup and another shot at $1 million. But
Oh my god, I have not sat in front of somebody in so long. Y'all should take my hair out. Or helping me. I'm gonna take some out too.
when I call your name, step on up here and choose your perfect match. You two will then place your palms on the handprint touchpads, locking you in as a couple.
Amazing.
Oh yeah? You said you had some walls up. Are you
Hopefully.
starting to tear those
I don't know
out?
what my hair. My hair ain't this long.
Who's your perfect match? Do it.
John Jacob.
Wow, these people are weird.
She's the girl I need in my life.
Taylor.
I don't know how to explain it.
There's a connection there.
There it is.
Who's your perfect match?
My perfect match is Wes.
Oh, something about Ryan, but you picked Wes.
Wes, you happy about this pick? Going to answer the question right now? Is that
Millie,
answer?
you really got me watching this show, girl. Oh my goodness. Say hey.
And as far as Wes is concerned,
Taking these braids out, y'all. It's about time.
Stand on, stand on.
She knows she like that chocolate.
Khaleesi and Dylan really complement each other.
Couples are correct, but not who those matches are. Tonight, you begin with 2B.
Hey y'all, so the hair is completely out. I just have my headband wig on because I went to work this morning and I'm about to eat some lunch. I just got off from working at the school, setting up my classroom again. I'll vlog some more tomorrow of my classroom setup because I have some friends helping me. So yeah, I'll wait for them. But yeah, so I'm about to eat. I just got home. Do I have a cup over here? And then I'm gonna get my hair done as soon as I'm done, or in about an hour or so. I tried this new restaurant that I've never been to before. See how I like this food. I just wanna show you guys. This is from the Lakai restaurant. I'm sure a lot of people that watch me from my area know this restaurant, but I've never been to it. Okay, it looks okay. I definitely, they do their chicken different. Something to eat, so I just not, I mean, I'm cooking tonight, but I needed something for lunch, so that's what it look like. I always like to show my food. My beans are in the cup. But yeah, I'm gonna eat, set my classroom. I should be doing my classroom completely. Just checking in with y'all. I love this headband wig. If you've never seen the video, it's so dark. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys my hair. So I pretty much got the same exact thing, the knotless braids, but instead I got some feed-in braids at the top because the last time I got the knotless braids, my hair is, ever since I went back natural from having a relaxer, my hair has become very sensitive on the top, or like the crown. So the knotless braids, because they're braided down, I wasn't able to move them around without them hurting or irritating my scalp, because they were braided in one direction, and anytime I move anything from another direction, it hurts. So this time I got the knotless braids in the back, but I just got a little bit of feed-in braids at the top, same type of color. This one has a little bit less color than the last time. It had a lot of brown, just a little bit of highlights of brown, as you can see. Very much natural, very much just a quick summer hairstyle. Again, book my girl Hannah Hands if you are in the Palm Beach area. And yeah, it's just a quick, cute little style. Nothing too fancy, but very much still cute. And yeah, perfect for next week when I start back working full-time as a teacher until influencing blows up. So I'm about to take a shower and I'm gonna eat some pizza. DJ ordered some pizza for me, so I'm about to eat some pizza when I get out the shower, watch some YouTube, and get ready to go to work tomorrow at 10 a.m. Cynthia, it's your birthday. It's a video.
Oh my God, hold on here.
You know, you gonna do it.
Hey, Caleb. Hi, I'm back. This Caleb. How you doing?
Happy birthday, guys.
I don't know if they'll fit all in one.
Do it actually my birthday, bro.
Why y'all both can't sing together? Go practice.
I'll sing for you. Jamila, I'm a strong alto now, bro.
For the cake? Yeah.
Okay.
That is not true. That's what he's thinking. No.
All the phrases about a jump.
We're doing a Kanye version.
Wait, hold on. I'm not even ready. I forgot candles, y'all. I was trying to get you.
4 times. I told you that boy did not answer. He only answered for his sisters
I called you
and her. It's okay.
What was I?
He answered me.
650.
Yeah, it was 50, I'm telling you.
Hey, can I sing like your pastor the other day?
Oh, yeah, that's the extra.
No, we doing the Kanye version.
Everybody here.
Happy birthday.
Caleb, can y'all practice?
Happy
Caleb, can y'all
birthday.
practice?
Hey, I know y'all got.
Hold on. Wait.
You're in the vlog. Caleb, she wants you to sing.
Happy birthday to you. I don't fumble that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Sensia sama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, I can hear you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
All right, triangle.
Happy birthday.
Sing it, choir.
Happy birthday.
Y'all forgot y'all know.
To you.
He actually said we should start a thing on YouTube, Facebook. All of us cut
How you gonna find them? We don't even know their name. No, it was. That's what their name was? Yeah, you're gonna be cropped.
Oh, okay. That's okay. But I still look good.
That's real nice. But we got clean
Get out! Yeah. He is so dumb. All right, it can stop now.
Have fun this year.
Well, you know, he don't have fun in middle school.
I always sure don't. Not his middle
Y'all do
school.
FSAs in your class?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I have
Not
to
at his school.
administer the FSA as well.
Oh, but they don't take an FSA for music. The master? Ooh, my makeup brushes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I really hope this is it. All right, you guys, so goodness, I need somewhere to be. Not over here. So I ordered some samples of makeup brushes because I would like to start having makeup brushes for my stuff. Wow, this box has been beat up. All right, so these are samples. Oh my gosh, looks so good. Oh, look at it. The packaging is cute. Oh yes, look. Oh my goodness, yes. These definitely give me Real Techniques vibes. I love the color, super cute. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadow, 6 face, and then it comes with this pack. I'm gonna pull the plug on it. I wanna do a tutorial using the brushes first before I go ahead and order them, a bulk order of them. I probably am gonna sell these for about $15 a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 brushes. It's good, it's super soft, no shedding. I'm pulling it, there's no shedding coming out. Let's use the brush. I can't wait. Oh, so I'm gonna test them out when I do my makeup next, which will be on Saturday. I love them and they wash well and everything. Then we're gonna go ahead and bulk order them, and I will contact my vendor and pull the plug on that. So exciting. I will definitely keep you guys updated. You guys, I just wanted to say a special shout out to Praise. You guys, she donated all of these items to my classroom for me and my kids. Well, for my kids. Oh my gosh, I am so blown away. You guys, look at all this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all of this that she donated to my classroom. This is what true support and a very, very sweet, humble, not have to do this. My kids have snacks for days, okay? Thank you so much, Praise. God bless you. She's having a baby, so I'm about to go on Amazon and ice her baby out. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Praise. This means the world to me and my class. I'm gonna make sure that they send you a postcard all the way from South Florida. Y'all, she's not even in Florida. All the way from out of state. Thank you so much. Love, love, love you, girl. Oh my gosh, we need to hang out when I go to Texas. I'm going to Texas soon, okay? Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. From my class to your home, blessings. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.